Hi, this is Anand Mahajan, your instructor for this course. In this important lecture, I am going to talk about SQL.
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
SQL happens to be an acronym for Structured Query Language. SQL is something which is used by all DBMS packages. SQL statements are used by the programmers in the application programs to interact with the DBMS. Because of this reason, SQL is also called a universal programming language. Now I am going to execute some SQL statements, and for this purpose I am supposed to go to command prompt, click on start, CMD. That will take you to the command prompt. Okay, then cd / program files, because this is the folder where your MySQL workbench is installed. So you can search for MySQL by writing MySQL star. Star is the wildcard, that means the first 5 characters are MySQL and rest of the characters could be anything. Okay, it's MySQL. CD MySQL. CD stands for change directory. Then again MySQL star. It's going to show all the files and directories which are starting with this word MySQL. So my intention is to go to this folder MySQL Workbench 6.3. So what I would do is I would write MySQL. I did not type the whole thing. I can simply write cd MySQL work something and star. Right. Then we are supposed to execute an application called MySQL. See, when I would simply write MySQL, it is giving an error message regarding access denied. Actually, I should have typed it like this: MySQL, then minus u, minus means hyphen u stands for user. I want to log in as root, and hyphen p. So when I will press enter, it will prompt me for the password. This is the password that I have given for my MySQL workbench. So I will type it. So it's showing the prompt. Now I am ready to execute SQL statements. The first statement I am going to give is show databases. Now it will show me all the databases which are presently being created and which are open to be used. I want to use this products, suppose this database products. So what I would write is, I would write, see carefully, use products. So what will happen is this particular database with the name products would be activated, and I would be able to issue SQL statements related with this database. Now the message is coming up, database changed. It means this particular database has been activated. Suppose I wanted to use Mahajan students. You can see there is a database with the name Mahajan students also. Mahajan students. Okay, now this database would be. So I'm again going back to use products. Using the cursor control keys, you can always retrieve the recently given commands. This is called command history. Okay, now I want to see all the tables which are present in this database products. So what I would write is show tables. Because in this database products which we have created in the previous lecture, there was only one table with the name master that is being displayed. Now I want to see the structure, that is the description of this table master. So what I would do is I would write DESC space master, and as you can see, each statement, SQL statement, is being terminated with the semicolon. Okay, DESC master has produced this table which is showing the field name. Field name is also called column name. Product underscore NO, data type is INT, and whether this is null or not, no. And key below this heading key is showing PRI, which stands for primary key. As you might be remembering, at the time of creating this table, I had declared this product underscore NO primary key. Okay, so this is description, and varchar 45 means maximum number of characters can be given as 45. Price is again INT. So this is the structure, and which can be called description of the table. Okay, now I want to see the records present in this table. So what I would write is, I would write select star from master. Master is the name of the table. So you should remember the syntax. Syntax goes like this. Select star means I want to show the values for all the fields, for all the columns. There are 3 columns. It will show the values for all the 3 columns. Okay. From followed by name of the table. See, there are 4 records. All those 4 records are being shown on the screen in a very clear way. This is the column name, product number, all the product number are being displayed, description, then price, right? And we can see selective records. That means we can issue our SQL statement with the condition also. So how we will go about this? Like I'm writing select star from master where price is less than or equal to 200, terminated with semicolon. Enter. As you can see, there were 2 records which were meeting this criteria. This is 103 product number, radio, which was with the price 200, 104 table, which was with the price 100. As you can see, the condition is being fulfilled. The other 2 records are not being shown. Why? Because they are not meeting this criteria. Okay. Another thing, we can simply we can see only selective fields, right? So in order to see the selective fields, what you can do is you can, like I'm writing description comma product NO from master. Now this time over you can clearly see that I have done away with star symbol. That means I don't want to see the values for all the column names. So I have specifically mentioned the names of the columns for which I want to see the values. Those were description and product underscore NO. That means I don't want to see price from name of the table master. See, it's showing values only for 2 columns, description and product number. Okay, and there can be like now I will show you that we people can have a condition also, like where price is equal to 1000 something. So it's showing it's showing the record which is having the price as 1000, but it's showing values only for 2 columns, description and product number. So it's very easy to issue select statement. Now I will show you how to use conjunction and disjunction operators. That means and or operator, and also the third one which is called negation operator not. So let me show you. Select star from master where suppose description is equal to suppose TV and price is less than or equal to 200. Okay, so it's giving the message empty set. Empty set means there was no record which was fulfilling this criteria. The condition was select star from master where description is equal to TV and price is less than or equal to 200. Right now, both the conditions should have been true. So there wasn't any record whereby the price was less than or equal to 200 and description was TV. So let me make the things clear. Select star from master. Let me show you the record so that you can, sorry, there should be a space. Okay, there was a record with the description TV, but the price was 1000, whereas in the condition we had written where description is equal to TV and price is less than or equal to 200. As you know, when we apply conjunction operator and both the conditions should be true. So first one was true for this record, but second one was false. That is why it didn't show the record. And as you know, if we apply disjunction operator, that is OR. See, in that case, it is showing 3 records. So what I have written is select star from master where description is equal to TV or price is less than or equal to 200. That means it will show all those records in which either the first condition is true or the second condition is true. So you can see in this record, in the first record, the description is TV. Second condition is false, but even then this record is being shown. Why? Because we had used disjunction operator, which is OR. Now let me use negation operator, that is NOT. So let me write this statement: select star from master where not price is equal to 1000. Okay, you can see instead of showing all the 4 records, it's showing only 3 records, because we had written select star from master where not price is equal to. This is how we use negation operator. So we want to show all those records where price is not equal to 1000. So this is how we can use select statement. In the next lecture, we would be talking about some more advanced SQL statements.